So on the 5S, we create kind of different visual instruments, right? So this is just kind of a way to organize and to classify them. So we have the visual displays. They're the ones that kind of tell you some kind of information, the visual indicators and the visual signs. So the indicator is just telling you some information. And the visual signs are the ones that are getting your attention. So you can see the difference with example. And they have visual controls, and the goal of the controls is to draw behavior. So want you to behave different. So these are some displays. You're telling the information about, let's say, what is the good and bad part. We have that a lot in Colombia here. The traffic, the train. So telling there's a train going on. Here is some other information for you. This is performance metric boards that use a lot in Lean system, and I implemented a few of them. We have safety, quality, delivery, and cost performance, each one side of the board. And then you can look and all the information is there, right? And this is a place, I want you guys to find where it is. So take a look at this and try to find what it is. And I'm going to ask you if you found out where it is in our class. The display will be something that grabs your attention. It's not only an information, it's pulling your attention. So you can see, you can do that with lights. You can do this 3 lights, kind of common in the manufacturing plant. Here I have the crossroadings, but I also have the lights there to give more attention, to take my attention. I don't know how to say that. Toxic hazards, push hard, whatever it is. So he grabs, that's the word, grabs your attention. The visual controls want not only to grab your attention, is to drive your behavior, right? So it tells you, oh, you need to park here, and you only park if you're handicapped. You have to put the materials in the bins in a certain order, right? You have to put, this is called a shadow board. You have to put the things in exact order, and you have to know if you have all your tools there. Right? This is another shadow board, right? So you customize those things to have only the tools that you need. And then if a tool is not there, you're going to see that is not there. Quickly understand if there's a problem going on there, okay? So it drives your behavior, right? And tells you what you should be doing, okay? Then the going one step ahead of the visual control is the visual guarantee. So this is also called poka-yoke or mistake proofing. So you make the control something that people cannot do wrong, right? Think about an outlet in your home. You cannot put a USB into the outlet because it's different size, right? So everything in your computer is on the exact size that match the things that you're going to put in, and that's a mistake proofing. You cannot put the one in the wrong spot. You can think about those mistake proofing in any process that you can do in your life, right? Or every process step. How can we make things that it's impossible or very difficult to make mistakes? And here we have some examples of it. So we have this air, oxygen, vacuum, medical air, and nitrous oxide into a hospital. We have, again, the outlets here that I just said. Here's some sensors into a press. So if you put your fingers there, it will stop. Here is when people are doing maintenance in an equipment, they put these locks on the energy there, so they don't turn the equipment on, and the person is like in the middle of the equipment doing some maintenance and might get hurt or even die if someone turned the equipment on. So they put these locks there because of that. And here are other behaviors that you can make things, limited things, right? And then next video, we'll go to standardize.